The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a flash flood warning for South Central Harrison County in South Central Indiana, East Central Meade County in Central Kentucky, North Central Hardin County in Central Kentucky until 2:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Muldraugh, West Point, Laconia, Howard, Evans Landing, New Boston, Pilcher Landing, and Hughes Landing. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. The current time is